Hi, this is a tutorial on how to log on to Kahoot. So firstly, you're going to put in that web browser up there, www.kahoot.it, or you're going to have the Kahoot app. Your screen will look like that of the phone on the left, and you will put in the pin that you see on the main shared screen. The screen will be shared through Zoom, so you can put that pin into your device. It will then ask for a nickname or your name, and you're just going to type that in and hit OK Go, and you will see it appear on the Kahoot screen. Once everyone's names are in, we will hit start, and your phone or screen will again look like the phone on the left. The colors that you see on your phone correlate to that of the questions. You can see they match up, so you will be looking at the shared screen and choosing the answer that you believe it is based on the color that it correlates to. And we will all be on a Zoom at this point, so if you do have any questions, feel free to ask them and we can walk you through it and we will figure it out and get you on. In a second here, I'll show you what the web browser looks like. If you choose to use the www.kahoot.it, it will bring you to a screen just like this where you will choose the same steps of putting in the game pin and then your name. We look forward to seeing you Thursday night and hope you join us.